What is underfitting in AI pattern recognition models? Imagine trying to draw a smooth curve through a set of points, but your line is just a straight, stiff line that doesn't follow the shape at all. That's similar to what happens when a machine learning model is too simple to understand the data it's working with. This is called underfitting. In pattern recognition, which is a key part of artificial intelligence, models are built to find and interpret patterns in data. Think of recognizing faces in photos or understanding spoken words. When a model underfits, it can't see these patterns clearly. It makes mistakes because it's too basic to grasp the true relationships in the data. Underfitting usually happens when the model is not complex enough. For example, using a straight line to fit data that actually follows a curve. It can also occur if there isn't enough training data, or if the data doesn't representing real-world situations well. Sometimes, the features used for training don't contain enough useful information for the model to learn properly. Another cause is when too much regularization is applied. Regularization is a technique to prevent models from overfitting, but if it's too strong, it can make the model too rigid. This rigidity stops the model from fitting the data well, leading to underfitting. Detecting underfitting is pretty straightforward. If a model performs poorly on both the data it was trained on and new data, and its predictions don't improve with more training, it's likely underfitting. You can also look at graphs that compare the model's predictions to the actual data. If the model misses the main trends, it's probably underfitting. To fix underfitting, you can make the model more complex. This could mean choosing a more advanced algorithm or adding more layers if you're working with neural networks. Including more relevant features can also help the model learn better. Reducing regularization or combining multiple models, known as ensemble methods, can improve performance too. Sometimes, simply gathering more data or training the model longer makes a difference. In modern AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL, and Midjourney, underfitting can cause these systems to produce less accurate or less detailed outputs. For example, an underfitted image generator might create blurry or overly simple images. An underfitted language model might give responses that are too generic or not relevant. Productivity plugins that relying on AI can also struggle if their models underfit, leading to wrong suggestions or automation failures. Understanding underfitting is important because it helps us build better AI systems. If a model underfits, it can give users false confidence because its outputs are not reliable. This can affect trust and decision-making in real-world applications. Recognizing and fixing underfitting ensures that AI tools work as intended and are used ethically. In short, underfitting happens when a model is too simple to learn the patterns in data. It leads to poor performance and inaccurate predictions. Fixing it involves making the model more flexible, adding better features, or training it more thoroughly. Knowing about underfitting helps developers create smarter, more trustworthy AI systems that serve us better every day.